The Dimensity 9500 Plus Leica imaging have appeared on a Xiaomi flagship, and this is the Xiaomi 17T Pro, just released domestically after returning from abroad. I'm sure you all have many questions about this phone, so let's start with the unboxing. It's still the familiar long box. Oh, there's a small Leica logo here. It has a tear-off strip, which is great. Hello? At the very top of the box, wow, it's actually not a clear case. Oh, it's soft. That's a plus. A 100-watt Type A new national standard charging plug. Let's take out the phone. 3, 2, oh, this is purple. This purple has a slightly blackish feel to it, a dark purple, a little dark one. First, let's talk about the design. The official name for this color is Nebula Purple. To me, it really does have a black to purple gradient, especially when light hits it. It creates a metallic texture. When you touch it, the AG matte feel is very obvious, but it's quite refined. What's interesting is the camera deco area, since it's made of metal. I've seen many people online giving high praise to this CNC cut ring, but my first impression is that it looks a bit like the Xiaomi 15 Bright Silver Explorer edition. But overall, there is definitely a sense of continuity in this family design. The sides feature the flat metal frame matchable. Matching the color of the back panel. Where it transitions to the back, you can see a slight curve to prevent the phone from feeling sharp in the hand. On the front, we have the familiar flat screen with large rounded corners. But you need to note that the screen size is now 6.83 inches, not the 6.9 we are used to. However, it has a 144 Hz high refresh rate, still features full brightness, direct current dimming, sunlight mode, and professional primary colors, and the bezels remain very narrow. The only drawbacks are 2 points. One is that this is a low temperature polysilicon screen, so it lacks full screen always on display. And the other is that the fingerprint sensor position is indeed a bit too low. Now let's get to the point. How well did Xiaomi tune the Dimensity 9500? We ran Genshin Impact and Honor of Kings. I'll show you the results directly. Let's not waste any time. Indeed, our tests show that compared to Xiaomi's 5th generation Snapdragon 8 flagship models, there is really no difference in gaming performance. It remains extremely powerful. We want to focus on the imaging because the Light Hunter 950 sensor plus a Leica 5x periscope telephoto lens is the configuration provided by the Xiaomi 17T Pro. You should know that with this phone, you can indeed take photos with that signature look, or what we call the Xiaomi style. But I want to focus not on the main camera, but on this 5x periscope telephoto lens. I've seen people say Xiaomi has a dedicated stage mode for concert photography, but today I want to focus on using the 5x zoom with dynamic photos, combined with Leica Authentic and Leica Vibrant styles to photograph pets. Look here, this is our studio puppy. When it comes to shooting pets with long, fluffy fur, Xiaomi really captures that texture beautifully, especially when paired with the dynamic photo feature. It feels even more unique. There is also a new watermark. I remember talking about this back with the 12S Ultra, and after several generations, it has truly been refined even further. As for other specs like the 7,000 milliampere battery, 50-watt wireless, and 120-watt wired charging, we won't list them here, but we'll put them on the screen for you. Releasing a phone like this at this point in time makes Xiaomi's target audience very, very clear, right? We think bringing the overseas series to the domestic market to focus on offline sales is a very smart move. Let's see how the Xiaomi 17T Pro performs in sales. Bye.